Hey everybody, it's Mike from Bonecookie, and we're sitting in my recording studio here in Scottsdale, City Bird Studios, and we got a request to do a tutorial on how to play some of the riffs from a song called Dog D Red off of our LP, and we're going to run through some riffs. My daughter's friend Griffin lives in Kansas and has been playing the electric guitar, and she really likes the song, and so I'm going to show her how to play some of those riffs for that song that she likes. And some of my influences are Deftones, Hendrix, Alice in Chains, Tool, Korn, Helmet, etc. But I can tell you one thing, who likes the Deftones? This guy. Again, now we're going to go through some of these riffs. Just want to make sure your tuning's correct. Now in this song, it is in an A440 standard or E standard tuning, but the guitar itself is down a half step. So if you're in standard tuning right now, it's going to sound like this. There's your E, but if you tune down a half step, there's your tuning right there. That's down a half step. Now I record everything with the guitar actually down a half step, but tonight I've got my drop pedal hooked up, and it just makes it convenient for the likes of this video. So the first riff. So you're going to hit the E chord. You're going to hit a harmonic on 4th fret. So this is a reverse triad. Okay, so the other harmonic, there's your 4th fret. It's going to be on the 5th fret of the A string. Okay, so those are the parts. I think I didn't arrange perfectly, but you get it. And then when it goes into the verse or the pre-chorus, you got me. And I love you. And you run through it, just an open E chord, E major. Okay? And then you go. And you're back in the riff. Okay? And that's the main parts of the riff. Okay, so when you go into solo, if you want a couple of the licks, I don't have it totally memorized. It's been a while since we played this one. With it, bend on it and make it kind of chromatic and funky. It's supposed to not a perfect shred out. Just have fun with it, kind of sing the scale, but bend the notes around. I always do. Live, it's pretty close live, but at the same time, have some fun with it. Those are just some licks that I just threw in there for the sake of jamming. But I hope some of those riffs kind of point in the right direction of where they sit. And if you have any more questions, you can always post it on the YouTube page. And you can subscribe to my YouTube page, which is on the link. And thanks for Isabel, who has done the filming tonight. and enjoy the Bonecookie record in its entirety by going to bonecookie.com. All right.